This is Replenish. This is our strength restoration oil, and this oil is a literal game changer. It's infused with avocado oil, certified organic argan oil. It's got vitamin E in there. So what this is gonna do, it's gonna go in and fill all the cracks and the crevices of the hair, smooth it out, soften it, add shine to the hair, and this will literally revive hair that is maybe a little bit lifeless or dry. All you need to do is pump this in when your hair is damp, focus on, mid shafts to ends, and let it dry into the hair, whether you're blow drying or air drying, and you will notice a huge difference of how your hair feels, because it's gonna give the 3 S's: strength, softness, and shine. So this is something that I incorporate into all my hair regimens, all my styling, because also it's very lightweight. So this is not your typical oil. Typically what I do in the morning is, my ends kind of get dry day through day, so I add some into my ends and it just brings that life back to them. This is not an oil that's gonna weigh the client's hair down or weigh your hair down. All our products are designed to be light, and so this goes in invisible. It's also not a colored oil, so it's not gonna stain your blondes. So literally this should be in every single one of your clients' toolkits at home.